Welcome to Diesel Days at the Illinois Railway Museum, a 3-day event showcasing the museum's collection of diesel locomotives that were used on U.S. rails in the 20th century. Today we'll be focusing on this locomotive next to me, Amtrak number 231, an F40PH locomotive. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. Amtrak number 231 was built in 1977 by the Electromotive Division of General Motors, or EMD for short. She was one of 216 F40PHs that Amtrak would come to own. With the engine's proven reliability and capability, it would become the workhorse of Amtrak's fleet in the late 70s, 80s, and 90s. One of the trains that visitors can ride at the museum is the Caboose train, which is made up of, well, 4 cabooses. And here's engine 231 pulling that train past the shooting location at the Cornfield. The Caboose train with 231 ran more than once this weekend, and I filmed it the second time at Johnson Siding. At a different time in the weekend, 231 pulled the coach train, which is made up of 1930s heavyweight Pullman coaches. Amtrak 231's first activity this weekend was Throttle Time, an opportunity for visitors to drive a locomotive for a short time. 231 spent most of the afternoon doing this.
Well folks, thanks for checking out this Diesel Days video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a thumbs up down below. Feel free to comment and share your feedback, and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. With that being said, that's all I've got for you today. I'll see you all in the next one, and have a great day.